Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video and back with another quick unboxing. So I've had this for a while. This is from Christmas, and I've decided to unbox it now because I had so much things to do and I was quite busy. But here it is. This is the TechGlow 3-in-1 audio power bank bracket. So basically what it does is it takes your phone or PC and amplifies the sound or music that you're playing for it. So let's see quickly here. It's a speaker, hands-free for calls, phone stand, and power bank all in one. Also, after the video, after everything is said and done, I will leave a link down below to this product if you would like to purchase it. So let's quickly open it. Speaker there, and we have the micro USB for the charger to charge the product. And so this is how it looks. Very sturdy, nice build quality, and the hinge on this thing is very good. And so here, as you can see, you can put your phone out here. It has a grip pad so it won't slide off, and it also has this as well. So if you want to just put the phone on there, let me put this on the table. Let me pull this out again, and so you have your phone like that. And then this general area is the speaker. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out for you, but first, this is the I still have this. This is the iPhone X, still kicking, still good performance. I did replace the battery about 6 years ago, and it holds pretty good. But yeah. So, and then it has also, it seems like a little fan on here to kick on if it, if it gets a little hot. And then, so as you can see here, you have your input and output. This is if you want to charge your other devices, or if you want to hook it into your computer and use it as a speaker as well. And that's it for that. So let's go ahead and test this out. I'm going to go ahead and power it on.
Bluetooth mode.
So as you can see, it's in Bluetooth mode. Okay, as you can see, we have it connected here. Showing up, so we're going to connect to it. And that's the sound indicator showing that it is connected. And so we're going to test out some stuff here. You see copyright free music. Let's go ahead.
If you feel gross about selling, it's because you're
nobody wants to hear this ad. Let's go.
What you can give. If you're afraid of putting yourself out.
The sound is very powerful. It has good bass in it too. Enough of that. So yes guys, I will be posting the link down below. Very solid product in my eye. Like I said, if you want an external type of speaker to hear your music, or just travel around with, this is pretty cool. So again guys, thanks for watching my videos. Leave a like for this video, comment down below what you think about it, and peace out.